Hello, I welcome you all to this tutorial. We are going to be making a headband. So in this tutorial, I've already cut out the materials needed. So this right here is the length, and the length should be the head circumference. The head circumference of this client is 21.5. The head circumference is 21.5. You add 1 inch, which is 22.5. Then this is the width of the material, which is 8 inches. 8 inches is the width. This place, the width is the edge of the fabric, while this place is the length of the fabric. Then the same with this piece. This piece is 6.5 inches, 6.5 inches by 3 inches. 3 inches width. The length is 6.5 inches. This for the hair piece. Okay, now in order to know the front of the fabric, this is a stretchy fabric. Please, while making a turban or a headpiece, make sure you're using a stretchy fabric. How to know the one that is the front and the back? You hold the edge of the fabric like this, then you stretch it like this. The fabric will coil towards the front of the fabric. When you hold the edge of fabric, do it like this. See, it is coiling towards the front of the fabric. Anywhere the fabric coils to is the front of the fabric. Here is the front of the fabric. Now let me show you how you sew it. Now see, this place is the front of the fabric. Then you close it like so, as in with the front inside, front facing front. Then you run a stretch stitch down, and also you do the same to this one. Stretch it. The fabric is coiling towards the front, then you fold it with the front facing front, then you run a stretch stitch down. Let me do it, come back and show you. See it? I've already stitched it down. See it? And see this. Already, I don't know if you're seeing it. I've gone ahead to sew it down. I've sewed this down. Then the next part of it is to turn it towards the right side. Turn towards the right side of the fabric. I hope you're getting what I'm doing. You're understanding me. Please watch the video carefully. You understand what I'm doing. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please try and do so. Okay. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Now, I've done both over. Then you place it like so that this place that the thread is showing that you want a stitch will be in the middle. Watch carefully, even if you don't understand what I'm saying. Watch carefully, you will see what I'm doing. Okay, watch it carefully, you will see what I'm doing. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This stitch is in the middle. Then here is the back, here is the back. If you turn it like this, the front. This is the back. Turn it like this, this is the front. I hope you're understanding me. Okay. Now, after this, what I need to do is to bring it together like so. Bring it together, front facing front, and run a stitch. Sew with 1/2 inch. Bring this together. But in this issue, you're not going to sew it together yet. Let me go and sew this one. Then I'll come back and tell you the next step to take. See, I've gone ahead to stitch it with 1/2 inch. Stitch it down. Front facing front. See the front? This place there is thread is the back. And front facing front, I'll stitch it down. This is it. You turn it to the right side. Then let's turn it back to the wrong side and show you what to do. You open the stitch. The stitch is like this. That place you stitch down. Open it like so. Then you do it like so. Like so. If you can do it like this and stitch it down, okay. If you cannot do it, as you open it, you bring your thread. I've already threaded my needle and I've made a notch at Then you bring your threaded needle, you go in, run a running stitch with your needle on it, a running stitch with your needle on it. Please take note, watch carefully, you understand what I'm doing. Running a running stitch on it. Once you stitch it down towards this side, don't leave it like so. Continue to stitch it down, also stitch it, run a second stitch on it so as to tighten it so that it will not loose. Please be careful so that you not break your needle. Please be careful as you do it. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. After that, you secure your thread on the fabric. After securing your thread on the fabric, cut it out, and turn to the right side. Bring this place. Remember that this place that we are seeing the stitches is the back. Is the back, and here is our front. Then you carry it like this and place it the back like this, because we are still going to turn it. You place the back like this. Then you go to your sewing machine and run a stitch across like this. Let me do it. Come back and show you. Okay, this is it. I've gone ahead to run a stitch. Cut or you trim. Let me call it. I don't know. Remember, these are the back. The next step to take is to turn it. I hope you're saying it. After 3 minutes, the next step is to turn it. You turn like this to the right side. You turn to the right side. You turn to the right side, so that this thing will cover those stitches. Are you seeing that our headpiece is ready? Look at it. Look at our headpiece. Look at it. Is it not beautiful? This headpiece, you can do as many as you want. Under 5 minutes. Oh, what is 5 minutes? You're already done. So the next step is to bead on it. But that beading is on another video. I'll do a video on how to bead on your headpiece. Bead here so that it will be very, very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please do so. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Sorry that I've not been posting for a very long time. It's because of our mobile things. Very soon we'll be posting back to back. Thank you for helping your girl grow. I love you.